Welcome, Grammar Pirates. Arr! This week we are going to focus on the morphemes, or small parts of words that have meaning. Specifically, we're going to focus on the morphemes that show us when a sentence is happening. If something is taking place in the past, we need a way to show that when we are writing. This means the morpheme ed is telling us that whatever happened in the sentence happened before now or in the past. So, for example, in this sentence, it rained all day yesterday. The ed on the verb rain tells us when it happened, which is not right now, in the past, a week ago, yesterday. If things are happening right now, in the present, we know that by the verb as well. A verb has an S if it's singular, so that we have our subject-verb agreement, or nothing else is added to it. So in this complex sentence we have, it rains, S, so it's a singular verb, and it's happening right now, while we eat our lunch. Again, eat is the verb, it's an action verb, and we can tell that it's happening right now because of the verb and the way that it's used. Now, if something's going to happen in the future, we need to show that not with morphemes, but actually with helping verbs. Something will be happening in the future, and you need a verb phrase to help show that. So, it will be raining all day tomorrow, according to the forecast. Will be, and then raining. So you need that whole verb phrase to say that it's not happening now, and it didn't happen yesterday, but it's probably going to be happening tomorrow or in the future. So let's practice these. You're going to write down whether the sentence is happening in the past, the present, or the future. Remember, this is another reason why we need to know what step one is. And step one is, that's right, underline and label the verb or verb phrase. So sentence number 1, the caterpillar crawled into the bag yesterday. Past, present, or future tense. Number 2, Tigger will be bouncing to see Roo this Friday. And number 3, the guitar sits beside the dresser. Is it happening in the past, the present, or the future? 4, Sally decided to sew this past weekend. And number 5, the teacher will be grading papers tomorrow night. Past, present, or future? All right, so number 1 happened in the past. We underline and label the verb. It's crawled with the morpheme ed. Number 2, the verb phrase is will be bouncing, future tense. Number 3, it's present. The guitar sits. Guitar is singular. Sits is also a singular verb. 4, Sally decided to sew this past weekend. Decided is our verb. It's in the past tense with the morpheme. And number 5 is future tense, will be grading. So again, I want you to think about all of those steps that we've been focusing on all year long, keep tying together and helping us. So step 1 is underline and label the verb. And step 2 is draw the mast, and it separates our subject and our predicate. Awesome. All right, Grammar Pirates, I'll see you in a little bit. Keep using your noodles and that growth mindset to keep improving. Till then, I will see you later.